Alright, last official weekend February is here. It is February 21st, 2026, and he's here, 1331. Coming to you from Ladysmith, Wisconsin, along the Canadian National Superior Submarine Milepost 353.17 with the video lined up for you. B73111 of the 26th is here with the Ex-Citirail 3967 with my third EMDX SD70ACe Tier 4 of the 72ACe-T4. Let's check them out. GPU is the 3905. B73111 of the 15th started an island yard in St. John, New Brunswick, Canada. This will head up to Yarbo, Saskatchewan, Canada. The new CN3428 was previously in Illinois Central-9. Total axle is 840. Definitely a highlight of the day, folks. Just like that. This is also by one pack on the meat assumption 7:59 this morning. M343 is well behind this thing. Here's the last one, the B731 with the rear GPU 3905 coming up. And that was CITX 151 888 to bring up the last of it before the rear DPU. How about that? What a catch! Haha! I like it. Amazing. And my third EMDX Progress Rail Tier 4 demo SD70ACe Tier 4. The 7218. Because I know a few years ago I did get me the EMDX 7202 and 01. And now the EMDX 7218 is my third one that I've gotten now, which is really impressive. So that is going to do it for the B731 11 of the 15th, and we'll do it for the Ex-Citirail, the 3967, the new AC44C6M of the 3428, Progress Rail, EMDX 7218, the SD70ACe Tier 4, ET44AC of CN3056, SD75ACE-C8352, and the rear DPU of Tier 4 Credit ES44AC of the 3905. once again, off they go to Yarbo, Saskatchewan, Canada. And that is going to do it for this video at Ladysmith, Wisconsin for this afternoon. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. Have a great afternoon. Have a great weekend. I'll see you next time, and I hope I will see you along the main line. See ya and haze out.